Brought to you by GTA. We start with you.
They're actually pretty pissed off that they don't have it yet. I mean, the fire department apparently has some gear, and I encourage the people at the GRMC and GMH emergency rooms to watch your gloves and masks because apparently the fire department likes to borrow them. But they should have their own gear.
This according to Dr. Vince Akimoto, who claims frontline responders are screaming they're not ready to respond. But Governor Lulian Guerrero during the GMA forum replied that she hadn't heard of any complaints from Guam Fire or Guam Police Departments. According to CDC, COVID-19 guidelines, recommended PPE includes a single pair of disposable patient examination gloves, disposable isolation gown, respiratory protection, N95 or higher level respiratory, eye protection such as goggles or disposable face shields. GFD spokesperson Kevin Riley.
Not all firefighters necessarily have their own N95. However, they do have access to N95 respirators on board the ambulances. We are currently working with public health in order to obtain more and purchase more respirators. However, just like nationwide, there is shortages and there is difficulty in getting them.
Riley adds, in the wake of COVID-19, GFD is sending firefighters to get retested and refitted for N95s to ensure that they have the proper seal. As to whether there has been a change to GFD's protocol when responding,
the most significant change that we've made to our protocols for this COVID-19 is that our call takers are questioning whether or not the patient calling has been in contact with somebody that has traveled recently, or if the patient themselves has traveled. That would allow our first responders to choose appropriate PPE, whether it be the N95 or without.
Although Riley has not received any formal complaints or concerns from any of the firefighters,
we do understand that they're worried, and rightfully so, being that they are our first line responders to the sick and injured every day.
In the meantime, he would like to reassure the agency and the community.
We're taking the steps necessary in order to prevent the spread of this virus. And just like everywhere else nationwide, even worldwide, we're experiencing the same difficulties that they are in obtaining the masks, in dealing with this situation.
KUAM is still waiting for an official response from the Guam Police Department. However, Adelup responded that GPD currently has about 100 sets of PPEs to deploy as needed. Additional orders are being placed, as well as for supplies to decontaminate cars and facilities, and that officers will be fitted. Reporting for Guam's News Network, I'm Jonah Goncharfris.
Brought to you by GTA. We start with you.